So this is the first of a series I'm going to call DIY Blackbox. Basically, an idea I had a while. I keep trying to DIY stuff, and it, there's challenges and other things, and so I figure record it, and then there's a reference for people to see what not to do right, or for me that I do it right and it's cool, or I think I've done it right, and then post it online. Whatever you're doing, post it online, and you'll learn just how wrong you did it because of all the experts. So this one is my mom's garage door didn't open one morning because the arm that holds the chain fell off. So, enjoy. So, mom's garage door wouldn't open because the bar came down. This guy here is supposed to be up there. Problem is, I only found 2 bolts, and they were short bolts. And I betcha they were in the top and bottom holes. All the pressure went right in the middle of the board, and it split. And the bolts came out, and the bar came down, and the door stays shut. New board, and some bolts here. These are the old bolts. Here's the shortest one I'm replacing them with. There's the old board taken out. Absolutely just cracked down the middle. Okay, so the old board is out, and if you'll notice, there are only nail holes here. The new board is up. These are like 3 or 4 inch screws. I think I videoed them when I was showing you the other bolts. So, and the other bolts are going to go through this board anyway. So, got all the bolts in. Board's on. All that's good. Everything assembled. The pin is in here on the track. Cotter pin ring there. Okay, so we got the door back on the track. Track seems to be okay, a little stuttery, but let's see if it closes. All right, I'm going to call that a victory.